So this is Mathematics Paper 220 for GCE. So today we are going to solve question 3. So question 3, the question says solve the equation 2x to the power 2 plus 3x minus 7 is equal to 0, giving your answers correct to 2 decimal places. So we must leave our answers correct to 2 decimal places. So we are saying that x or 2x squared plus 3x minus 7, this will give us what? 0. So this is the question which we have, and we are saying that we should leave the answers into 2 decimal places. So looking at this question, this is a quadratic equation. So being a quadratic equation, this one will always be a, then this one is b, then the constant number is always c. So which formula do we use? The formula is x is equal to negative b positive or negative square root of b squared minus 4ac. Then we divide everything by 2a. So this is the formula which we are going to use. So we already know what is our a. Our a is 2, then our b is 3, our c is negative 7. What we are going to do is substitute these coordinates into from the formula. So which means we end up having x is equal to, we have negative from the formula, so a negative, then our b is what? 3. Then of positive or negative root of b it's 3, so we are going to have 3 squared minus 4. Since we are multiplying, we open, then our a is 2, you close again, you open, our c is negative 7, like this when you close. Then everything you divide by 2, you open, our a is 2. So we are going to have something like this. Then you say x is equal to, we are going to have negative 3, positive or negative. If we work out what is inside the square root, we end up having the square root of 65. Then you divide by 2 times 2 to give us 4. What next? To find the square root of 65. So we are going to have x is equal to negative 3, positive or negative the square root of 65. If you punch on the calculator, it is giving us 80.062257 and 5. Then you divide this one by 5. The next step, we are going to split. Since we have two signs here, we are going to split the positive one and the negative one, which means we end up having x is equal to negative 3. This we start with the positive, plus 8.062257.5. We divide this one by 4. Or since we remain with the negative, we are going to have x is equal to negative 3 minus, this time around, 80.062257.5. We divide by 4. What do? We are going to work out this one, which means we end up having x is equal to negative 3 plus 8.062257.5. It will give us 5.062257 over 4. Then this side, negative 3 minus 8.062257.5, it will give us x is equal to negative 11.062257.5 over 4. Then if you divide by this one, here it will give us negative 5.062257 divided by 4, it will give us 1.27 into 2 decimal places. Then this side, x is equal to negative 11.062257.5 divided by 4, it will give us negative 2.77 into 2 decimal places, which means we are done with question A. We go to question B. Question B, the question says the diagram below shows the number of students in each of the 3 courses at a university. The diagram below shows the number of students in each of the 3 courses at a university. So the 3 courses at the university, we have mathematics, chemistry, and physics. So in mathematics, the student which we add, we have 6, then we have 5 minus x, then 4 minus x. That is for mathematics. For chemistry, we have 5 minus x, then 7x here, then we have 3 minus x. Then for physics, we have 4 minus x, then we have x, 3 minus x, and 2. Then the first question says, given that there were 25 students altogether, find the value of x, which means all the students were 25. Then we find the value of x. What do? It means if we add all these, we should get 25. So what we are going to do at question B1, we'll say 6 plus 5 minus x, 5 minus x plus x plus 4 minus x minus 3 minus x plus 7 plus 2. This should give us 25. If we add everything here from the Venn diagram, it should give us 25 according to the statement. So what do? We correct the right terms. So we are going to have 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 7 plus 2 minus x plus x, yes, plus x minus x, again minus x, which is this one and this one, it will give us 25. From there, if we add 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 7 plus 2, we end up having 27. Then negative x plus x, this will give us, will cancel, it will give us 0, remain with negative x minus x, which will give us negative 2x is equal to 25. From there, what do? We correct the right terms, which means this side will remain with 2x is equal to 25. When 27 crosses an equal sign to become negative 27, then we're going to have negative 2x is equal to, if we subtract 25 minus 27, we end up having negative 2. Then for us to remain with x, we divide both sides by negative 2, even this side by negative 2. This will cancel, remain with x is equal to positive 1. So this is the value of x. Going to question B2. Question B2, we are saying that how many students studied mathematics and chemistry only. So for mathematics and chemistry only, which means we are talking about the intersection of mathematics and chemistry. So looking at the diagram of mathematics, then chemistry. So the intersection of mathematics and chemistry, we have 5 minus x. So our answer will say 5. This is 5 minus x. Since we know the value of x is 1, so we'll replace wherever there is x, we'll put 1. This time around, we end up having 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 to give us 4. So it's 4 students as our answer. So 4 students studied mathematics and chemistry only. Then we go to question B. Question B, we are saying that how many students studied one course only. one course only. So for one course only, we have this 7. This 7 we are only studying chemistry only. Then when you come to physics, we only have 2. These 2 we are only studying physics. Then mathematics we only have 6. So what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to add these numbers. So we are going to have 6 plus 7 plus 2, which will end up, this plus this to give us 13 plus which is 15. So we are going to have 15 students. 15 students, which means we are done there. Then we go to the next one, which is C. So we are saying that chemistry and physics, but not mathematics. Chemistry and physics, but not mathematics. So looking at this question, what are we looking for? We're looking for the intersection of chemistry and mathematics. So when you go to the diagram, you find that the intersection of chemistry and physics, it's 3 minus x. So this is the intersection of chemistry and the physics, is 3 minus x. So what we are going to say, we say 3 minus x. Since we know the value of x is 1, we substitute, we are going to have 3 minus 1. If you subtract this minus this, will end up having 2 students. 2 students as our answer. So thank you for watching.